This app affairs show you
how to make iPhone wallpaper change automatically. As you can see right now, I'm in my iPhone lock screen. My wallpaper is changing automatically whenever I tap on my lock screen. Now let's see how to make automatically change wallpaper. First of all, you have to update your iPhone iOS version. Go to settings and I'm going to tapping on general, about. As you can see, currently I'm using iOS version 17.3. Now go to your settings and just tap on wallpaper and tap on add new wallpaper and select photo shuffle, and here select album and tap on this option to select a specific album to use as wallpaper. Or if you want to select images manually to change your wallpaper automatically, just tap on select photos manually and here select all, and now from your gallery you will be able to select photos manually to add to your wallpaper. Then tap on add. Now tap on this three dot and here you can select shuffle frequency. You can select daily, you can select hourly. If you select hourly, then every hour your profile photo will be automatically changed. If you select unlock, whenever you lock and unlock your phone, your profile photo will be automatically changed. Or you can select on tap. To make your iPhone wallpaper change automatically, you can select hourly or on lock. So this tutorial purpose, I'm selecting on tap and just tap on add, and you can select set as wallpaper pair or you can select customize home screen. Once done, let's check it out. So as you can see, I'm in my iPhone lock screen. Whenever I tap on my screen, my wallpaper is changing. So this is how we can make iPhone wallpaper change automatically. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.